In this video, we will embark on a technical and performance-based deep dive into one of the new metal detectors that has taken the detecting community by storm, the Nokta Makro Simplex. We will strive to answer the two primary questions on everyone's mind for this metal detector review of the Nokta Makro Simplex. The first thing we noticed when handling the Simplex was the solid construction of the machine. The straight shaft, rather than the S-shaped shaft of some detectors, composed of rectangular shaft tubing, is rigid and sturdy, and the two locking levers for the telescoping shaft kept the shaft solidly in place. The shaft telescopes down to as short as 25 inches, making the Simplex very easy to handle for both underwater detecting or travel. The detector easily fits sideways in the back of a compact SUV, making packing for a detecting trip a breeze. This is the first detector of its caliber that I've been able to so quickly and consistently telescope the shaft up or down. A slightly larger diameter molded rubber hand grip is the best I've experienced on a detector to date. The rubber is firm and clearly robust, yet it retains a very tactile surface, making it easy to maintain grip in wet, muddy conditions. The armrest cup is Spartan, no foam lining, which could potentially cause some excess bare skin chafing on long, hot summer hunts. However, the entire assembly is easily adjustable on the shaft by simply loosening and retightening 3 screws. Attention to small details matter, such as the slightly wider wings on both the bolt and nut that fasten the coil to the shaft. This is a welcome feature for those of us with large hands, fingers, and makes coil changes quick and easy at only 2.9 pounds. The Simplex is a sleek machine, falling squarely in the weight range of the entire Garrett Ace series and the Minelab Equinox detectors. Combined with the above-mentioned straight shaft, the lightweight design, an awesome hand grip, and a fine-tuned balance, the Simplex is a joy to swing for hours on end. The 11 inches circular double D coil is well constructed, and comes with a coil guard installed. Nokta makes it clear which way the coil is to be installed, as the coil cable is connected at the very rear of the coil. Charging the Simplex internal battery, replaceable only by Nokta Makro, is a simple matter, although it does require the use of a special charging cable that comes with the detector and connects to a proprietary screw-on charging port on the back of the control box. This is the same port used to connect the machine to a computer for online operating system software upgrades. The connection to the threaded charging port is reliable and easy to screw on, although somewhat laborious considering some of the quicker and simpler magnetic and plug-in charging connections on some other brand machines. Own innovative feature is the ability to charge the Simplex battery, on the fly, with a portable power bank and the small charging adapter cord. I suspect the likelihood of this feature being used is low given the detector's 12-hour rated runtime. However, it's nice to have the option if you're in the field and running low on juice. The Simplex is a single-frequency, 12 kHz, very low-frequency, VLF metal detector. This frequency range falls right in between the lower 6-8 kHz range of the Garrett Ace series, and the higher 13-15 kHz range of the Garrett at Pro, at Max, and White's MX Sport. That niche results in a detector frequency that's able to discriminate well between a wide range of ferrous and non-ferrous targets, while still retaining significant depths with other leading detectors on the market today. The Simplex has multiple selectable modes that include all-metal mode, park mode, field mode, and beach mode. The entire control box interface is well laid out and is easily learned in a short amount of time. Nokta ensured visibility by building in a backlit LCD screen and backlit keypad, and adding a small LED flashlight mounted on the underside of the control box for those after-dark hunting excursions, or even for use as an emergency light to find your way back to the truck. The rubber-capped keypad buttons are well spaced, however, they can sometimes be a challenge to depress while wearing gloves, especially thicker cold-weather digging gloves. A couple key features that I have found valuable are iron volume and frequency shift. During my several field tests of the Simplex, it became clear that Nokta has indeed developed a very capable machine. I was able to recover a number of colonial and Civil War era relics, although none deeper than about 6 inches. The difference in performance between the Simplex and past outings with an at Max and Equinox 800 to my test site was clear and expected. The latter machines drilled consistently deeper with clearer target definition, but the Simplex performed impressively nonetheless and recovered many relics. These same results were confirmed at home in my test garden, with buttons, mini balls, and silver and copper coins buried at depths ranging from 4-10 inches. At 4 inches the Simplex solidly nailed each target. At 6 inches, detection was still evident, but weaker, and at 8-10 inches the consistency of target lock and tone (PDI) started to degrade at significantly. Combined with an array of easy-to-use advanced features, and a lower price point, the Nokta Makro Simplex is a clear winner in the beginner VLF metal detector category, and a solid contender in the mid-range detector class. Some tweaks to issues such as the software update process and EMI interference mitigation will only make this detector shine brighter. Hats off to Nokta Makro for successfully delivering this advanced capability at a price attainable by even more detectorists.